Petition hearing item number 23, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, if this matter may be listed on Tuesday, Lordship, next week.
23.
Yes, Tuesday.
My lord, I'm for 4.
That's it. On the request of the learned counsel, MS, what is your name?
Esther, your Lordship.
The matter is adjourned today. I have also heard the learned counsel for the respondent. This next week.
On Tuesday, my lord.
Next week it will be listed.
Oh, my.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 7 on behalf of additional AG in the song, my Lord. Kindly allow 3 weeks time to file a affidavit.
The learned counsel, MS, Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, prays for some time to file the affidavit in
Yes, my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
affidavit in opposition.
I'm the counsel for petition Ajo.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. Ajo, appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. When do you want it?
3 weeks after 3 weeks.
Least after 3 weeks.
Well, appeal for respondent number 5.
My lord, make it 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay, after 2 weeks.
My name is
Also heard Mr. So-and-so. Appearing for the respondent number 5.
My name is not appearing. So if
The name of Mr. So-and-so shall be shown in the cause list as the counsel representing the respondent number 5.
Lord,
Majo.
My Lord, again, I have a similar prayer for item number 8.
Yes,
3 weeks may be granted on behalf of additional AG in the song.
the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for on behalf of the additional advocate general. Prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed after 3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am. My Lord, I'd like to mention item number 14 and 15, my Lord. I've taken consent from the opposite party. So kindly allow me 3 weeks time to file a video.
The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondent, prays for 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition, and also submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned today, least after 3 weeks for filing the affidavit in opposition. Same order in item number 15.
Yes, item 15.
Same order.
Much apology.
Now, please, your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item 1, your Lordship. Your Lordship, if this matter can come up after a week, your Lordship, for obtaining instructions.
Ms. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondent, prays for some more time to take instructions. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
please, Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 16.
Hmm.
Lordship, this prayer, this matter can come after 2 weeks.
On the request of the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, the matter is adjourned today, least after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes,
Please, your Lordship.
yes.
I'd like to mention hearing item number 24.
Item number
24.
24.
On behalf of L. Irano. He's indisposed. I pray that this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay. The learned counsel, MS So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Iralo, prays for adjournment. The prayer is allowed.
I've taken the consent of the other party.
Ms. So-and-so has submitted that she has already taken the consent from the other side. Accordingly,
Lordship, please in
the
interim.
hearing is adjourned today, least after 3 weeks
Yes, sir.
for hearing. The interim order pastoral shall continue until the next date of listing.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5
5.
on behalf of Asia.
Okay.
Kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
The learned counsel, MS So-and-so, appearing on behalf of the appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, appearing for 3 weeks' time
Lordship,
to file the affidavit in opposition.
Third.
Heard MS,
Signal.
appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
Which one is yours? Lordship, item number 6, similar prayer.
6.
Lordship.
The item number 6 also same order.
Lordship, item number 11. On behalf of everyone, number 1, kindly write 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Then item number 11 also same order. On behalf of so and so. Okay.
No objection, Lord.
I pledge.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item 9.
9.
9, yeah. We are yet to file affidavit in reply, so 2 weeks time is granted.
You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Mr. So and so appearing for the petitioner submits that he needs some time to file the reply in respect of the affidavit in the position filed by the respondents. The prayer of Mr. So and so is allowed. Least after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 on behalf of AIU.
13
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may grant 3 weeks to file a counter affidavit.
counter affidavit.
Yes, Your Lord.
Mr. So and so appearing for the state respondent prays for 3 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. I have heard Mr. So and so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. Least after 3 weeks.
Pledged, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
25.
I've taken the consent of all the parties, so let the matter be listed on 9th of March.
9th of March.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for the respondent
And for the appellants.
or you are for the appellant.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 25.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS so and so appearing for the appellant prays for an adjournment. You are for the respondent.
I'm for the respondent number 1, 2, 4, and 5.
And Mr. So and so appearing for the respondents 4 and 5.
Lordship, I'm for
1 to 4 and
respondent
5.
3, 6, and 7.
Mr. So and so appearing for the respondents 3, 4, and 5.
3, 6, and 7.
3, 6, and 7. The hearing is adjourned accordingly. List on when?
9th March.
9th March for hearing.
Obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item 12 on behalf of learned counsel,
Item
Mr.
number?
Baknipom.
Item number?
12 for respondent number 2 and 3.
No, item number
12.
12.
12. My lord, this writ petition was filed in the month of July last year.
Hmm.
They were entered appearance in the month of August. Till
Yes.
date, they have not filed affidavit. My lord, let this be the last chance
Okay.
and let it come up in the last week of March for hearing.
Okay. MS so and so appearing for the state respondent prays for an adjournment. Mr. Foseco Potter Foseco Forte appearing for the petitioner submits that the matter is pending since July 2025 and this prayer for adjournment should be allowed for the last time. After hearing both sides, this court has decided to agree with Mr. Pote. The prayer for adjournment made by the respondent is allowed for the last time. List in the first week of March 2026.
Last part.
Last week of
On 30th, lordship,
on 30th March.
30th March.
30th March 2026 for hearing. Is it for hearing?
No, lordship, hearings are not completed, but
For admission hearing.
permission hearing. Lordship is an interim, can let interim continue.
The interim order past LSL continue till the next date of listing.
You apply.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 2.
Item
2.
2.
The fact
Two-
for the concerned minister.
2, 3, 4 are listed together. 2, 3, 4 all are listed together. You are for 2. You are for 2.
2, 3, 4
2, 3, 4. For a petitioner or a respondent?
petitioner.
For a petitioner. In one matter, item number Santengar is there. You are appearing for Mr. Santengar.
Yes.
What do you want?
The fact is before the concerned minister, the negotiation is about to end. Kindly grant us 4 weeks time.
in the ministry. MS so and so appearing for the petitioner submits that the matter is under consideration before the ministry, and therefore she needs some more time to that effect. The prayer is allowed. Least after 3 weeks, along with item number 3 and 4.
For admission, item number 10.
Wait, this Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if we may be given a short time to file our affidavit in reply to the opposition filed by the respondent number 7.
MS so and so appearing for the petitioner submits that she needs some time to file the reply in respect of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7. Respondent number 7.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So and so appearing for the respondent.
I'm looking for medical department. Medical department.
Huh?
Medical department.
Medical department. Representing the medical department. Heard. The prayer of MS so and so is allowed. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Least after 2 weeks.
This is urgency in the matter, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the matter, it's a simple matter, Lordship.
Hmm.
The petitioner's grandfather has sold a plot of land
Hmm.
to the department. We have paid 3 lakhs, we have paid 19 lakhs.
Hmm.
Now the grandson is coming and seeking appointment on land on the basis.
Oh,
That is the issue, Lordship.
yeah.
Whether they are entitled. No, they have challenged the policy of the government. 5th March 2018.
You have already paid the money.
Yes, Lordship, but in that agreement, there was a written agreement, my lord. And in that agreement, there was a condition that apart from the 3 lakhs that was paid to my grandfather, there was a condition that as and when any grade 4 post arises, then first preference will be given to the landowner, Lordship. And the agreement has not been disputed by the district administration also, Lordship.
Okay, file the reply.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 17.
What is for?
Item 17.
Item 17.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Yes. Yes.
State as well as the private respondents are yet to file the affidavit.
The state was to file the official records,
Yes,
including the bid evaluation committee
my lord.
minutes. You have not filed.
Lordship, right.
The state is represented by the senior counsel.
Also.
Item 17.
This is the minutes. This is the minutes. Yes, Mr. Sankenga,
Yes, Lordship, the state was directed to file certain documents today.
they filed it.
So they'll explain it whatever they have filed, they'll explain the lordship, because I'm not the one who is placing the documents on the court.
Yeah.
Your lordship, may I read out the simple submission? The project, your lordship, was sanctioned by the ministry amounting to rupees 15 crore by sanction letter number so and so, dated 3rd March 2025. The estimated civil construction cost of work is rupees 11.9046 crore. The request for proposal RAB and tender document was prepared following the standard binding document of PPMC of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in the tender for the above mentioned work amounting to rupees 11.9046 crores was invited by the Chief Engineer Road and Bridge. Chief Engineer Betaluti National Highways on 23rd May 2025 on the official portal of CPPP website so and so. The technical bid of the work was opened online on 30 June 2025 in presence of the bidders or their representatives in the bid evaluation committee who choose to attend. A total of 9 bids were received online, and the technical bids were evaluated as per the criteria laid down in RAB by the bid evaluation committee. And the meeting was held on 2nd September 2025. Your lordship will find the meeting manuals also. As per the RAB, the technical evaluation was uploaded in the web portal on 16 September 2025, and the financial bid was scheduled to be opened on 23rd September 2025, giving 7 days time for objection. Giving 7 days time for the objection, if any, from bidders in accordance with the clause, lordship will find clause 23.5 of the RPP. So, lordship, the department has given the 7 days time. The lordship, the main issue is this only. Department has given the time to the bidders for 7 days time to raise any objection.
Yes.
The petitioner was silent on that. They have never raised any objection. As no objection was received from the bidder till the end of 7 days time.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship, it would be good if the documents are placed by way of an affidavit before this honorable court, so that I'll also have a copy of it, and then we can have a proper hearing. Secondly, Lordship, the notice about the private respondents. There are 3 private respondents here, which is why it's at the order stage. It's yet to be completed. So even if we have a lengthy hearing today, it will all be a wastage of precious judicial time. Because
Okay, these 2 matters. You were referring to these 2 matters for filing by additional affidavit.
yes, my lord. The state is yet to file the affidavit. So let my next sitting and place it on record before this honorable court, and then I may also be given an opportunity to go through it, and if so advised, file appropriate reply.
It is better. You file it by an additional affidavit. Mr. The learned senior government, heard the learned senior government advocate, Mr. Moa Imchen. Mr. Imchen has submitted that he has received the bid evaluation committee minutes and other documents. Heard Mr. Santianger appearing for the petitioner. The state respondent is directed to file these documents by an additional affidavit.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 8.
I have also heard MS so-and-so appearing for respondent number 8.
Lordship, in the meantime, the registry may direct you to reflect findings in the process.
A registry is directed to reflect the name of MS so-and-so as the counsel representing the respondent number 8.
8, Lordship.
8.
Lordship, and regarding respondents 6 and 7, I may be permitted to take steps by dusty service.
There. The petitioner is directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondents
6 and 7.
6 and 7 by Dusty. By Dusty.
My lord. Lord, if there's an interview, it can kindly be extended to
The interim order passed shall continue till the next date of listing. List after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
No, my lord.
For hearing, item numbers 18 to 21.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, these cases arise out of the same facts, your lordship. So I would like to take your lordship.
You do one thing, other party is absent probably.
Everyone is here, your lordship. It's a very simple matter.
All the 4 petitions are same.
Yes, all the 4 petitions are connected. Facts, same fact.
Same fact.
Yes. Your lordship, I'll summarize the case
No,
before I go into the report.
Other party is absent today.
Here.
Do it in the month of first week of March. In the first week of March, do the hearing.
Your lordship.
Heard Mr. Tongpok Ponganir appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents.
No, lordship, I'm for private respondent.
For private respondents.
Lordship.
The hearing is adjourned today. List on 3rd of March for hearing. List on 3rd of March along with item number 19, 20, 21 on 3rd of March.
Interim may continue.
The interim order passed shall continue.
For hearing, item number 22.
But it appears, my learned friend representing the state, the learned public prosecutor is in the other court. If it can kindly be called after some time, Lord.
Lordship, my name has been reflected only here in the coast list, so my name may be struck off, Lordship.
And the name of
Itibapon
Yes.
to be reflected.
Oh, it's
Item number 22.
22.
Yes.
22 is V Sokri.
Yes, yes. It's my name.
It is your name.
Mm.
It is to be struck off.
Yes, yes. And the name of Itibapon may be reflected in the coast list because I'm not handling this case, Lordship.
Oh, okay. MS V Sokri. You are public prosecutor.
Yes, yes.
Public prosecutor submits that she is not conducting this case, and in her place, MS.
Mr.
Mr.
Itibapon.
Thibapo shall conduct this matter. So the name of Mr. Thibapo shall be shown in the cause list as the counsel representing the respondent. Heard Mr. Santiengar appearing for the petitioner. List this matter.
Lordship, day after tomorrow then. Otherwise, it was fixed today. I have come prepared.
You come prepared.
Yes, otherwise, if it is fixed after 2 or 3 weeks again, I'll forget the facts and the rulings also.
Okay, and when?
Day after tomorrow, Thursday,
Day after tomorrow.
Much better.
What will be the date?
19.
19th.
19.
Triple oblige, my lord.
Okay.
For hearing, item number 26.
This IAS for what?
Your Lordship is for appointment of commission.
Appointment of
Commission.
commission.
Yes.
Yes. Who filed the IA?
Yeah, I mean, this here. Give me a Lordship.
Lordship, this is already an order saying that the IA and both the appeal has to be heard together on the previous occasion that order was passed.
Order 41, Rule 27.
Yes.
But what is this? What is the prayer?
They want to set up a commission. They're asking for a commission to survey the land at this stage.
Oh, survey commission.
Yes.
But nobody is present.
They're just coming. And so the last occasion, my lord, since our stand was that it can only be heard together. So the order has been passed. Order dated 19/1/2026.
My senior just started.
Who filed the IA?
My lord, actually, we are the appellant, we have filed that IA. And my lord, that synopsis of the case is that, my lord, we have filed one second appeal. And during the pendency of the appeal, we have filed another, his lordship, my senior only.
My lord, in this second appeal, we are the plaintiff. Plaintiff appellant. Our suit was for declaration, for cancellation of the. Our suit was for set the letter dated. Letter dated 11/4/2004 and 29/10/2004. The case of the plaintiff is this. She purchased a plot of land measuring 2/16 from one Nikka. She applied for the land revenue record. Her name was notated. She paid the rent, land revenue to the government. Everything is okay. Patta was issued her. Suddenly, the respondent number 1 he filed a petition before the authority that my land is, his land is occupied by the plaintiff appellant. Therefore, necessary steps will be taken. The government, after verification, found that they found and passed an order that it is a duplicate patta issue. And hereafter, the deputy commissioner cancelled my patta. That was much prior to the mutation granted in favor of the respondent number one. Thereafter, we moved the 226 petition. That petition understood contested, and the Honorable Court held that you go to the civil court to get the appropriate relief. Accordingly, we filed the suit for declaration that the setting aside the restraining order and the setting aside the cancellation order. My suit was decreed by the trial court, but it was reversed by the lower appellate court. Against it, this appeal has been filed. I filed this application for local inspection on the ground that the land purchased by me, it is completely different and distinct from the land purchased by the respondent number one. There was 2 commission issued by the authority, and both the 2 commission held that the land are different. But the lower appellate court held that the cancelled my patta without anything. Therefore, I prayed by this application under Order 26 Rule 9, praying before this court to issue a commission to verify the records and verify the land and give a report to this court whether my land, I purchased the land, is distinct and separate from the land purchased by the respondent number one. Your Lordship, kindly, I have not taken much time. Your Lordship, kindly turn to page 8 of my application 203. This is the survey report. As directed by the authority white order dated white order number so and so, I have gone to the spot verification with the applicant Srimati Lereni Lotha with elders, assisted by the neighbors of the plot, which is situated at block number 9, Dankan Basti, Dimapur, near SBI. The land in question from brick walls, fence, and vacant land within the plot. The schedule of the land is so and so. Submitted. Therefore, the my land is covered by brick wall, and there are some vacant thatched house and vacant property. Thereafter, another survey commission was issued. Lord also kindly please to page 9. That as per order of the so and so 4th April 2005, the spot verification is with none by the ROEAC Revenue Department LRSO. The sale along with the parties according to the revenue record trace map. The tag number A26 and an area of 2 kata 16 acres belonging to Larini. And the tag number D26 area 1 kata 15 acres which belong to upland puncture, which is respondent number 1 as per trace map of 1971 is 380 feet away from the land of Larini trace map. The allotment which belong to the Apam puncture files under tag numbers 26D area 1 kata 15 acres, which is presently occupied by Sri Wapam Jamir as per trace map of 1972, which is produced by Apam puncture. Therefore, the land purchased by me and patta was issued in favor of the appellant plaintiff is quite distinct and different from the land purchased by the respondent number 1. Therefore, I pray before this court that a commission for local inspection may be issued to find out whether the land purchased by the appellant is same or it is land purchased by the appellant is distinct and different from the land purchased by the respondent number 1. If it is found that the 2 lands are different, then my suit is liable to be decreed. If it is held that the 2 lands are appellant's land is within the land, then there is. Therefore, if why the commission is necessary? Commission is necessary to decide the dispute in between the parties and to come to a definite conclusion, which is owned by whom. Therefore, I found that it is a fit case to issue commission to measure and demarcate the land.
Yes.
This your lordship. Lordship, as I was pointing out, the order dated on the last occasion. This matter has been decided. And as per the decision of the Supreme Court, my lord, when an application is made for such an application for permission, after hearing the second appeal on merit, only can be decided. And therefore, by order dated 19/1/2026, my lord, this honorable court has already decided that the matter, this application also needs to be heard along with the main appeal only. And one of the issue framed in one of the question of law framed in this present second appeal is also whether ought to have appointed a survey commissioner to find out the description and boundary of the land. That is also one of the question of law involved. And the first appellate court has said that there's clear findings saying that the dispute is regarding to the land. So the one land, which both the parties are claiming. So whether that is right or wrong, whether the contention of the parties are, whichever is correct, that can only be ascertained after a detailed hearing of this entire second appeal. And that order has already been passed by this honorable court on the last occasion. That is 19/1/2026.
Have you filed any objection in this I?
Yes. After taking into my objection, only this order was passed.
Where is the order?
19/1/2026.
In the IA?
In the IA.
19?
IA number 3. No, 3.
No, order dated?
19/1/26.
19/1.
19 January 2026. I have a copy of the order here.
Show it to me. Mr. Sharma, there is an order that this IA shall be considered at the time of hearing of the appeal.
My lord, that order is there, my lord. I am not disputing that. But even though my petition is under order 26 rule, right? If that petition is allowed, but that decision has come from the local inspection, then the order 41 rule 27 will come. So if that decision is come, we have a right to examine the commissioner under order 41 rule 27. Though the order is passed, there is no bar in issuing the commission for local inspection. The whole matter is this. The land purchase 2 Katha 16 lessons by the appellant is that number A26. And land purchase by the respondent number 1 Katha 15 lessons D26. They are quite distinct and different. Only that point is to be considered. If the survey commissioner gives a report that the two lands are distinct and different, then the appeal ends.
Yes.
My lord may also see the order dated when this appeal was moved. Second appeal, my lord. Question of law. And there are as many as 11 question of law framed. 11. And that was framed at the instance of the appellants. And therefore, this has to be heard first, my lord. Because on merit, Lordship may kindly also see this judgment of the Supreme Court. Because this matter is already decided by the court. In this appeal, that this will be heard together after hearing our objections, after hearing the parties. My lord, may kindly come to paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, my lord. May I just read this? Was deciding the second appeal, however, the High Court had failed to take notice of the application on the order such and such, and decided whether additional evidence could be permitted to be admitted into evidence. In our view, when an application for acceptance of additional evidence under Order 41 Rules 27 of the Court Civil Procedure was filed by the appellant, it was duty of the High Court to deal with the same on merit. That being the admitted position, we have no other alternative but to set aside the judgment of the High Court and remit the appeal back to it for decision afresh in the second appeal, along with the application for acceptance of additional evidence in accordance with law. The appeal just allowed that we make it clear that we have not gone into the merit as to whether the application for acceptance of additional evidence under Order 41 or 27 should be allowed or not. We shall be decided by our High Court at the time of the decision of the second appeal in accordance with this, my lord, because the issue raised, whether it is additional evidence can be taken at this stage, whether the issue raised by them has been considered by the appellate court, the entire evidence has to be appreciated. Only then whether it is required or not, additional evidence is required or not, that can be decided. And therefore, accordingly, my lord, on the last occasion, this honorable court decided that yes, it has to be heard together. Respectful submission, my lord. If they don't agree with the order of 19/1/2026, they can only set it aside in an appeal, my lord. They cannot come and re-argue on the matter again.
Mr. Sharma. Yes. We'll hear the appeal. We will hear the appeal. In the IA, you write. In the IA, in the appeal, second appeal, you write. Heard the learned senior counsel, Mr. A.C. Sharma, assisted by Mr. Mr.
Inti Longjam.
Inti Longjam, appearing for the respondent.
Respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1.
She's for respondent.
Ms. Sukre. Appearing for the respondent number? Respondent number 3. 2 and 3. Release this appeal for hearing. But when you will do the hearing?
You take place. He comes from, my senior comes from outside, so as far as
March?
After some time,
Okay. You tell the date. Tell him the date. For hearing. MS Sukre, appearing for respondents 3 and 4. Okay then.
Yes.
It's set.
Okay.